What's going on, people? Welcome back to another amazing video. Okay, today's video I'm going to talk about Freeflix HQ. This is the newest one. This is the 3.1.2. This version I have here is an ad-free version, but in my channel's APK store I do have their original version and the ad-free version, so you have best of both worlds. And this modified Freeflix is done by Elfinder. Check it out. You know what I mean? Let's go right into it. All right. So once you click it, you're gonna go in. Give it. You see how on the bottom there it says 3.1.2. Let it load up. Yep. You see that? Just back out of there. This is what's new with the 3.1.2. It fixed a lot of issues. It updated a lot of things. The trailer issues got fixed. Improved the built-in player, updated servers, among other things, which honestly it is a little bit better than the previous version. I'm not gonna lie about that, but it still has its little bugs. It's getting there. Freeflix is getting there. But just to show you, if you're not familiar with Freeflix, you're gonna see here you got your movies. You go to your little tab here, the 3 lines, click that. You're gonna see your movies, TV shows, Discovery, which is just basically like trending stuff. You got your anime section, your cartoon section, live TV section. But I'll be personally honest, the live TV section sucks. It really does. It's not the best at all. I don't even use it. Don't. I mean, you can if you want to, but the live TV, it really sucks on Freeflix. Then you got your wrestling and news, and also you could log into your track. Don't ever download. I don't. You know, there's no reason to. And then they leave their Twitter and Facebook thing right there. Show you in the settings. Here you go. You show bigger posters. You could change your change up your subtitle language. You could change the size. It gives you options. Oh, and also too, you have right here. You have this as well. Okay. You could check for updates, but with the modified version, you know, you don't need to. You could clear caches and stuff. As you see here, you know what I mean? And you see how it says remove ads? With this modified version, you don't need to because it's already done. Okay? Now, let me just show you it works. All right, we're going to go into movie. Click a movie. All right, the one thing, like I said, is you see how you have your trailer, change server, and all that. Back out of that real quick. Yeah, there you go. Now you see how you got your spinning wheel. I did notice one thing. Depending on your internet speed, that turns into like a play button, like that, or a watch button, whatever you want to call it. That's depending on your internet speed. Some are faster than others, but it did fix it from the last update, because when I had it, I was testing it. It would just take forever. Okay, but you can change servers if you choose to. But if this comes up, you click watch, and then you have your links. You're gonna choose your link. Okay, click that, and then you're gonna go play, and then just give it a second, and it should load up. Okay, now if it doesn't load up, that means you just got a bad link. Okay, you just back out of it and choose a different one. Okay. Sometimes it does take a little bit to kickstart the movie. There we go. See how it started? All right, we're back out of that. And for the TV shows, we'll go up here just to show you how the TV shows are. It's set up. I'm not gonna play it. I'm just gonna show you how it's set up. Let's say The Flash, or actually American Horror Story. You see, you go to pick season. You see how it went from like an orange to a darker orange. You click that and you choose your season. Okay, you choose your season. Okay, so you know what? Back out of that. I don't think they're season 10. Let's just go season 7. Okay, give it a second. That's one thing I did notice. When you try to watch it does take a little bit of time. Okay. Now, I know that's not on my end because I updated my Wi-Fi or my internet service. I know it's on their server end, which is fine. But you see how it's spinning and spinning and spinning? You go Let me see here if we could change the server. There you go, change server. Let's go server 8. Try this again. Yeah, see up there it says if, there you go. You see how I changed the server and then it just comes up? There you go. And you choose your episode there and then it plays off the bat, okay? So let's back out of that. But I just wanted to show you guys, it still has its little bugs, but it is an improvement from the last update. The modified version done by Lfinder, it takes away the ads, which is really cool. Okay, so we're gonna go back up here, and just to show you one more for the anime, this is how the anime looks. You have your dubbed, and then you have your subtitled, and then your, you know what I mean, straight none whatsoever. So we back out of that. Just show you also cartoon section. There you go. You have all your cartoons. Okay. And then we're going to go back up here to the live TV. Like I said, I don't use it. It's crap. Don't even, you could just go to watch now. You go into your section here. Let's say IPv1. It's really, I mean, honestly, it works when it wants to. It honestly does. Okay. We're going to, yeah. When it says exit app, is because their live TV is actually off of their Freeflix TV app. Okay. And honestly, I'm not a big fan of that app at all. But you may be. I don't know. You may be. So here goes the wrestling. And this one's pretty good. Yeah, they're pretty good, and they keep up to date with. They're pretty good and keep up to date. So we're back out of there. But okay, there you go. And then also too, just to show you guys, you can click that right there. You could change certain things, what you want. It's pretty. They give you the option. You could search for something. You know, there you go. They give you options too. Okay. So we're gonna go here. Get out of this. Okay, I did notice this though. For some reason, it won't let me out. So I'll just hit 1, hit next. It shows the results. There we go. Let's back out of that. Yeah, that I didn't notice there. So anyways, all right, so let me show you how you get this. Okay, like I said, Freeflix, it's a preference for somebody, you know, if somebody wants something different or check it out. Their 3.1.2 is pretty good, especially their mod version. It's pretty good. So get this back up. Okay, now to get it, okay, if you don't have FileLink, I have links down below of how to get FileLink, how to set it up and everything on many different devices, as in your phone, as in your Firestick, as well as your Android box. So anyways, I'm sorry for that pause. Yeah, if you don't have it, what you're going to do from this point is download it, and if you got it already, you're going to open it. So once you open it, you're going to see, give it a second, this come up like this, and you're going to enter the channel's APK store code 645-39676. Once that is entered, you're going to hit continue, and then it should pop up the store. Now, that's just a welcome screen. Now, the ad-free version is right up here. Okay, you could download that, or if you want the original, scroll down into here. I'm gonna, like I said, I gotta organize this and make it look better. But there you go. And then all you do from that point is you hit download. And oh, just to give you guys a heads up, really you can't have both versions on. You need to choose one, because if you try to have both versions, it's gonna cross, and sometimes it won't even download or it won't even work. Okay, for the ad-free version. But anyways, you see how the download button changed into a play button. You hit that play button, and from this point you hit install. Once it installs, it's gonna say done, or it's gonna say done and open. Okay, you can either close it out, hit done, or just open it up and you're good to go. All right, so that's how you get Freeflix, the ad version and the original version of the new Freeflix 3.1.2. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please hit like, subscribe, and share my video as well as my channel. And also too, I have a support group that if you guys have questions or anything, feel free to join it. All that's down below, as well as a Twitter account I have. All right? Hope you guys enjoyed and have a great evening.